Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
A big day at the Supreme Court. Things moving really fast as the Apex Court dismisses APM's case as it reserves ruling on the PDP and Labour Party's appeal.
The Supreme Court has reversed its judgment in the joint petition brought by former Vice President Abubakar Atiku and the People's Democratic Party PDP, challenging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's declaration as the winner of the February 25 presidential election. The 7-member panel of justices of the Apex Court, headed by Justice Inyang Okoro, reserved the date for judgment in the appeal after all parties adopted all their written addresses. When the appeal was called, Chief Chris Uche, representing the appellants, informed the court of an interlocutory application seeking the leave of the court to present fresh evidence in the appeal. The fresh evidence Atiku sought to tender is the academic records of Tinubu, which were handed over to him by Chicago State University, CSU, on October 2, 2023. The 32-page document was released to the former vice president on the orders of Judge Nancy Maldonado of the District Court of Illinois, Eastern Division, Illinois, United States of America. The U.S. court had ordered the CSU to release the said documents to Atiku, despite Tinubu's objection, because the court was convinced that it would help Atiku establish his allegation of forgery and lying on oath against Tinubu, who was declared the winner of the February 25 presidential election. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Tinubu, and the All Progressives Congress (APC) listed as first to third respondents in the appeal in their various counter-affidavits, urged the court to dismiss the application for lacking in merit. Chief Wole Olanipekun SEN, representing President Tinubu, adopted the motion on notice filed on October 7, supported by a 7-paragraph affidavit seeking the striking out of some paragraphs in Atiku on his party's appeal. After the adoption of processes by the parties, the court reserved judgment in the appeal. The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment on Labour Party candidate Peter Obi's appeal of the February 25 presidential elections outcome. A 7-man panel of the Apex Court, led by Justice Inyang Okoro, okayed the matter for judgment after all the parties adopted their briefs of argument. Peter Obi and the Labour Party, through their lawyers, led by Levi Uzoku, a senior advocate of Nigeria, urged the court to uphold the appeal and set aside the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Court, which dismissed their petition. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), President Bola Tinubu, and the All Progressives Congress, through their respective lawyers, asked the court to dismiss the appeal for lack of merit. Obi, who came third in the election, had in his 51 grounds of appeal maintained that the Presidential Election Petition Court panel erred in law and reached a wrong conclusion when it dismissed his petition. He alleged that the panel wrongly evaluated the proof of evidence he adduced before it and occasioned a grave miscarriage of justice when it held that he did not specify the polling units where irregularities occurred during the election. Peter Obi and the LP further faulted the PEPC for dismissing their case on the premise that they did not specify the figures of votes or scores that were allegedly suppressed or inflated in favor of President Tinubu and the APC. They accused the Justice Haruna Samani-led PEPC panel of erring in law when it relied on paragraphs 4(1)(d), 2, and 54 of the first schedule to the Electoral Act 2022 to strike out sections of the petition. While accusing the lower court of breaching his rights to fair hearing, Obi insisted that evidence of his witnesses were wrongly dismissed as incompetent. He told the Apex Court that the panel unjustly dismissed his allegation that INEC uploaded 18,088 blood results on its IRF portal. More so, Obi alleged that the lower court ignored his allegation that the certified true copies of documents that INEC issued to his legal team comprised 18,123 blood results that contained blank A4 papers, pictures and images of unknown persons purporting to be the CTC of polling units result of the presidential election. The learned justices of the court below erred in law and occasioned a miscarriage of justice when they held and concluded that he failed to establish the allegation of corrupt practices and overvoting, Obi added. He said it was wrong for the lower court to rely on the legal principle of estoppel to dismiss his contention that INEC bypassed its own regulations when it refused to electronically transmit the election results from polling units to the IREV. The petitioners adduced credible and substantial evidence, both oral and documentary, that proved the respondents' substantial non-compliance with Electoral Act 2022 in the conduct of the election. The Presidential Election Petition Court overlooked the fact that the respondents failed to disprove the evidence of substantial non-compliance adduced by the petitioners. The appellant stated, adding that the panel wrongfully dismissed the issue of double nomination raised against Tinubu's Vice President, Kashim Shettima. Likewise, Obi insisted that the PEPC overlooked the evidence establishing that President Tinubu had been previously indicted and fined $460,000 in the USA for his involvement in a drug-related case. Obi further argued in his appeal that imposition of a fine is not limited to a criminal conviction, as a word in law includes a civil forfeiture. The panel said to communicate the judgment date to all the parties.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, so my people, as I tell you, say I will come back. I don't come back, and I will come back. As soon as I see that video, when I watch, I will see them. I want more to leave on a comment for the comment section there. More to tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. I need to bring and come give una will be my people where they here. Make una follow me shoot mouth put whether it dey good or it dey bad. So if it dey right, una still leave una comment below. If it dey bad, una still leave una comment below. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.